How to change language on Netflix on phone. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can change language on Netflix. The first thing you want to do is launch open the Netflix app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on My Netflix button in the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll be directed to your home page. Tap on your name or profile picture to access all your Netflix profiles. Select Manage Profiles to edit the settings. Now choose the profile for which you want to change the language. Once selected, you'll be taken to the profile setting. Here tap Display Language section. A list of available languages will appear. Select the language you want. After selecting your desired language, tap on Done in the top right corner. And now you have successfully changed the language on Netflix account. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.